make it 9.5 inches. There, make it 9.5 here. And I found that you can cut this homasote with a razor knife. It's a lot easier than you could. Well, I can use my drill as well, but I'll use a knife because I like to use my muscles at times. Keeps me in shape. I get my level so I can draw my line. And it's always good to have a level. You got to have a level if you plan on doing this job. Make sure your lines are straight. And for another reason, make sure that everything's straight after you put it up. Especially when you're talking about putting up building a booth like I did with this. You need a level.